In this video, we will be looking at creating classes. Merchants are able to use the class or event feature in MyTime to create classes that are being offered by their business. In order to enable classes, select your name in the top right. From the menu, select Location Setup. Select Settings from the menu. Schedule class or event has to be turned on or set to yes in order for you to be able to create classes or events. Once this setting is enabled, select Save. You will now be able to schedule classes or events. Let's walk through the steps of creating a class. Once the classes setting is enabled, navigate to the Location Setup menu. Select your name in the top right. From the menu that drops down, select Location Setup. From the menu, select Classes. Here, you'll be prompted to add a new class category. In this example, we'll add a class category called Massage. Select Save. Once the category has been added, you'll be prompted to add another class in Massage. You can start by naming the class. The class description is not mandatory, but it can be added in the event that you have a description for your class. You also have the option of adding what to bring instructions so that clients that are booking this class would be able to see what to bring to the class. This is also not mandatory. In the configuration section, you have the option of setting or selecting what location the class should be offered at. If you have multiple locations, you have the option of offering this class at all locations or selecting one or a few locations that the class is offered at. You have the option of setting the duration of the class. This is how long the class will last. You also have the option of selecting the instructor for the class. You may assign all eligible instructors or just one instructor that is eligible to perform this class. You will also have the option of assigning resources that are necessary or mandatory for this class. If no resources are needed, you do not have to select or assign any resources. In the attendee type field, you have the option of adding new attendees to indicate whether a specific group of people can attend this class or if this class is open to everyone. If this class is open to everyone, then you may use the general attendee type. If this class is for a specific group of individuals, then a new attendee type can be created. Start by creating the attendee type, then selecting Add a new attendee. Once the attendee type has been created, you can then assign this attendee type to this class. You have the option of saying that this class is only open to members. You will also have the option of assigning a limit to the amount of people that can attend this class. The limit can be set to 10 or more, or even less, depending on how many people will be permitted to attend this class at a time. Then you have the option of assigning the price. You also have the option of hiding the price. You have the option of restricting when a class will be available for booking. It is possible to specify a time range during which booking is allowed, relative to the time of the event. Booking either too early or too late will not be allowed. In order to make changes to the online booking settings, select Configure. You have the option of specifying that clients can book from either days, weeks, minutes, or hours prior to an event, or clients can book up to days in advance of an event. In this example, we will specify that the clients can book 2 days prior to the event. Select Save. You have the option of setting up a cancellation policy for this class. In order to set up a cancellation policy, from the drop-down below How far in advance must clients cancel, select your desired cancellation policy. Once the cancellation policy is selected, you will then have the option to say if a client fails to cancel in advance, should MyTime charge them. If MyTime should charge clients when in violation of your cancellation policy, toggle to yes. You will then have the option of deciding how the client should be charged. Should they be charged the full amount of their class or event? Should they be charged a percentage of the class or event, or a flat fee? Depending on your preference, you can go ahead and make your selection. You must be set up to accept payments using our payment processor to be able to charge a cancellation policy or cancellation fee through MyTime. To get more information on accepting payments through MyTime, please contact our support team at support@mytime.com.